Hey guys, it's Mac from Epic Music Academy, and this is a online drum lesson. So in this drum lesson, we're going to do something very similar to our warm-ups, just our single stroke roll, right, left, double stroke roll, right, left, right, left, and we're going to try and move it around the kit and maybe come up with some new combinations as well, new sticking combinations. If you don't have a drum kit, that's fine. You don't need one. I'll show you how you can do it on just on your legs. Or if you do a drum kit, that's great. I'll give you some examples on my drum kit as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is just divide our legs up into 4 different sections. So on both of your laps, we're going to have the bottom side and the top side. So both of them here. So we're going to pretend this one's the snare, first tom, second tom, and third tom. And what we're going to do to begin with is just get our single stroke roll, right, left, right, right, and we're going to do 4 hits on each tom, and we're going to go around in a clockwise pattern, starting down here, what we called the snare, okay? So we're going to start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And then I want you guys to try it with the double stroke as well. So we can go right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And I want you guys to see how fast you can do it. Try not to speed up in the middle of the rudiment. Play it all at one speed for a bit. Stop. And then try it again faster. So it will sound like this. I'm going to start with a single stroke. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1. Three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And then I'll try to do the same thing with the double stroke. Ready? Awesome. Sounds good. If you guys want, you can play along with me, just to begin with, and then you guys can try it on your own. I'm going to show you some examples on the drums now, so we're going to move on over there. you guys can also come up with your own combinations. So for example, instead of going around the kit like this, you could, and then back to the start, you could go around the kit and then back up, and then back down, back up. I'll show you what I mean. Now I want you guys to also come up with your own combinations. So after you do some singles, some doubles, right, left, around the kit, maybe instead of going just up and down, you could go to different drums, or on your legs, go to different places instead of just around in circles. Or you can come up with different sticking combinations. So you could do something like right, left, right, left, left. Right, so it can sound something like this. Right? So, I want you guys to try come up with some of your own combinations, put some practice in, get going really well around the kit. So, now I'm going to show you guys a example of this around the kit single stroke in a song. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you next week for another lesson, eh? Have fun.